Hey everyone! We are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Ready to level up your digital skills without spending a penny? Whether you're into coding, design, or just want to get better at using the internet, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing the best free tools to help you grow your skills fast. Let's dive in. Digital skills are crucial, whether you're starting a new career, running a business, or just want to stay ahead in today's tech-driven world. But here's the thing, you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on courses or software. There are amazing free tools out there that can help you learn and grow. And today I'm sharing my top picks with you. They're perfect whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience. So stick around and let's unlock your digital potential together. First up, let's talk about learning platforms. These are your digital classrooms, and some of the best ones out there won't cost you a dime. If you want to dive into coding, design, or digital marketing, One Connect online courses. Codecademy are game changers. These platforms have helped millions learn valuable skills, from HTML and CSS basics to advanced Python programming and data analysis. Both are incredibly beginner-friendly, breaking down complex topics into bite-sized chunks. Plus, they have active communities for support and collaboration. Whether you're switching careers, launching a side hustle, or expanding your knowledge, One Connect online courses and Codecademy have got you covered. Links to both are in the description below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you've used these platforms. Alright, let's talk design. You might think design requires expensive software and years of art school, but not anymore. There are powerful free design tools that can help you create stunning graphics and presentations. For everyday design tasks, Canva is your new best friend. It's like having a professional design team at your fingertips without the hefty price tag. Canva's free plan is loaded with templates, design elements, fonts, and stock photos. Perfect for creating professional visuals. For more advanced design, Figma is a professional-grade tool used by top companies, and it has a free plan for individuals and small teams. With Figma, you can create high-fidelity prototypes and design user interfaces, collaborating in real time. Whether you're a small business owner, student, or just love expressing creativity, Canva and Figma have got you covered. Links to both are in the description below. Share your favorite free design tools in the comments. So you've started learning how to code, awesome! But coding is like any skill. The more you practice, the better you get. There are amazing free platforms for hands-on coding practice and real-world challenges. First up, Codecademy. It offers a wide range of free coding courses from web development to data science. Codecademy's interactive exercises let you write real code in your browser with instant feedback. For real-world coding challenges, LeetCode is where it's at. It offers thousands of coding problems used by tech companies in interviews. LeetCode has challenges for all skill levels, from beginners to pros, helping you think critically and solve problems efficiently. Whether you're starting out or preparing for technical interviews, Codecademy and LeetCode are invaluable. Links to both are in the description below. Share your favorite coding practice platforms in the comments. Remember, consistent practice is key to becoming a great coder. Carve out time each day, even if it's just 30 minutes to work on coding challenges. You got this. Let's create a community of coders who are always learning and growing together. Let's talk about something super important. Internet security. In today's digital world, protecting yourself and your data online is crucial. The good news, you don't need to spend big bucks on security software. There are fantastic free tools to help you stay safe online. For password management, Bitwarden is a secure, open-source option that stores all your passwords in an encrypted vault. For malware protection, Malwarebytes offers a free version that scans for malware, viruses, and other threats. These are just two examples of many free internet security tools available. There are also free VPN services, browser extensions to block trackers and ads, and tools to monitor your online accounts. Links to Bitwarden and Malwarebytes are in the description below. Share your favorite free internet security tools in the comments. Stay informed about the latest threats and protect yourself. Let's talk productivity. Whether you're juggling projects, staying organized for school, or just want to get more done, the right productivity tools are key. And you don't need to pay for expensive software to boost your productivity. There are amazing free tools to streamline your workflow and collaborate effectively. First up, Trello. It's a project management tool based on the Kanban system, a visual way to organize tasks. With Trello, you can create boards, add lists, and create cards for tasks, making it easy to track progress and stay organized. For an all-in-one workspace, Notion is a game changer. It's versatile and customizable, perfect for notes, databases, planning, and more. Both Trello and Notion have free plans packed with features. Links to both are in the description below. Share your favorite free productivity tools in the comments. Finding the right productivity tools is a personal journey. Experiment with different options and see what works best for you. Work smarter, not harder. And there you have it, my top free tools to level up your digital skills. From learning platforms and design tools to coding practice platforms and productivity tools, there's something here for everyone. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to gain valuable digital skills. These free tools can help you learn, grow, and achieve your goals. Check our free and paid online courses. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Check our description below for more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.